The FBI reported over 14 million criminal offenses in its latest national crime data, and property crime still makes up a huge part of that number. The scary part is, most criminals are not looking for the strongest house on the block. They are looking for the easiest one: a dark driveway, a weak door, an unlocked garage, or a silent window can be all the invitation they need. But the right gadgets can change that fast. Today we're looking at 17 home defense gadgets every criminal hopes you never buy. #17. Spray Defense Burglar Bomb Security System. This is one of those gadgets that sounds like it came from a movie, but the idea is simple. Instead of only making noise, it makes the room unpleasant for an intruder to stay in. A normal alarm says, "Hey, someone broke in." A spray defense system is built around the idea of making the intruder want to leave right away. Now, this is not the kind of gadget you buy without thinking. Anything that uses an irritant spray needs serious caution. You would want to check local laws. Think about pets, kids, guests, false alarms, cleanup, ventilation, and emergency access. But, as a concept, it attacks the thing criminals need most: comfort and time. If a burglar enters expecting a quiet room, and suddenly the space becomes impossible to stay in, that easy target does not feel easy anymore. #16. UR Fog Security System. This one takes a different approach. Instead of trying to stop a criminal at the door, it tries to stop the crime after entry by taking away visibility. UR fog systems are designed to fill a protected area with dense security fog after an intrusion is detected. The point is not to trap someone. The point is to make it extremely hard for them to see what they came for. And that matters, because burglars are usually racing the clock. They want to get in, grab the valuables, and get out before anyone responds. But when the room turns into a wall of fog, the plan changes fast. They cannot easily see display cases, shelves, tools, cash drawers, or electronics. For homes, garages, shops, and storage areas, this kind of system can be a strong extra layer, especially when paired with cameras, sensors, and a regular alarm. #15. Saber Home Defense Pepper Gel with Wall Mount. Traditional pepper spray atomizes into a fine mist that drifts inside enclosed spaces, blinding the homeowner alongside the intruder. This home defense-sized canister fires a dense, heavy stream of tactical pepper gel up to 25 feet away. It sticks immediately to the intruder's face on impact without cross-contaminating your hallway. #14. J5 Tactical V1 Pro High Lumen Strobe Flashlight. In absolute darkness, a high-lumen tactical flashlight with a fast-frequency strobe mode acts as a sensory weapon. Blasting an intruder's dilated pupils with this strobe instantly bleeds out their night vision, rendering them temporarily blind, off balance, and unable to coordinate an attack. #13. GE Personal Security Window and Door Alarm. Not every home defense gadget needs Wi-Fi, apps, or monthly fees. These small window and door alarms are cheap, simple, and loud. You place them on doors, windows, cabinets, garage entry points, or any spot where you want an instant noise warning. When the two magnetic pieces separate, the alarm sounds. That sudden noise can scare off someone trying to enter quietly, and it can also wake you up if something opens at night. It is a very basic gadget, but basic does not mean useless. Sometimes loud and simple is exactly what you want. 12. A Cara door and window sensor. This is a smarter version of the basic contact sensor. Instead of just making noise at the window, it can send alerts and connect with smart home routines when used with the right hub. For example, a sensor on a back door can trigger a light, send a phone notification, or start an automation. Criminals count on silence. A smart sensor breaks that silence without needing a huge security system. It is also useful for families who want to know if a garage door, basement door, or side window was left open by accident. 11. Master Lock 270 EC Door Security Bar. Doors are only as strong as their weak points. A door security bar adds another layer from the inside, especially for apartments, hotel rooms, sliding patio doors, and entry doors. It is adjustable and works by bracing the door against the floor. No gadget is magic, but a good security bar can slow someone down and make forced entry much harder. And in a real emergency, seconds matter. The longer a door resists, the more noise is made, the more attention is drawn, and the more likely the intruder gives up. 10. Defender Security U10827 Door Reinforcement Lock. This little lock is easy to underestimate because it is small, but it adds a strong extra latch to the inside of the door. It is designed to make the door harder to force open, which is exactly what you want on a front door, back door, garage entry door, or apartment door. A regular deadbolt helps, but the door frame is often the part that gives up first. Adding another reinforcement point can make your entrance less tempting. A criminal wants a quick kick and a fast entry, not a door that fights back. Before we move to the next gadget, take a second to subscribe to All About Survival. We cover simple, practical gear that helps you protect your home, prepare for emergencies, and stay ready without wasting money on useless stuff. 9. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. A smart lock is not just about looking fancy. It helps solve one of the most common security problems, forgetting to lock the door. With a keypad and app control, you can lock or check the door from your phone, create access codes, and avoid hiding spare keys under flower pots, which is basically a welcome gift for burglars. The Schlage Encode has built-in Wi-Fi, so it does not need a separate bridge for basic remote features. For busy families, renters with permission, or anyone who comes home with full hands, this can make daily security easier. 8. Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Control. The garage is one of the most forgotten security points in a home. People lock the front door like Fort Knox, then leave the garage open for 3 hours by mistake. A smart garage controller lets you check whether the garage door is open, close it from your phone, and get alerts about activity. That is huge, because garages often connect directly to the house and store tools, bikes, boxes, sometimes expensive equipment. Closing that gap can remove a very easy target. 7. BDF S8MC Window Security Film. Windows are vulnerable because glass is fragile. Security film does not make glass unbreakable, but it can help hold broken glass together and make a quick smash and reach much harder. The goal is delay. If someone expects the glass to break cleanly and the window to open fast, film can ruin that plan. This is especially useful on sidelights near doors, basement windows, and ground floor windows. It is not exciting, and nobody will brag about it at a party, but it quietly adds resistance where homes are often weak. 6. Fake TV Burglar Deterrent. An empty-looking home is inviting. A home that looks occupied is a headache. Fake TV creates flickering lights that look like someone is inside watching television. From outside, especially through curtains, it can create the illusion that the house is not empty. This is useful when you are traveling, working late, or just want your home to look active after dark. It is simple psychology. A criminal does not know if the light is fake or real, and uncertainty is your friend. 5. Casa Smart Plug Mini. Smart plugs are one of the easiest ways to make your house look alive. Plug in lamps, set schedules, and have lights turned on and off at different times. The key is not to make everything look robotic. If one lamp turns on at exactly 7 o'clock every night and turns off at exactly 10, that can look fake. But a few lights on different schedules can make a home feel occupied. Criminals often watch patterns. Smart plugs help you create better patterns without needing to be home. 4. HTZ Safe Wireless Driveway Alarm. A driveway alarm gives you warning before someone reaches the door. That is the real value. Instead of finding out when someone is already on the porch, you can know when motion is detected near the driveway, gate, walkway, shed, or long entry path. This is especially useful for rural homes, larger properties, and houses with hidden approaches. Early warning gives you time to turn on lights, check cameras, call someone, or simply avoid being surprised. 3. MIROS Matter Human Presence Sensor. A normal motion sensor only notices movement. That sounds fine until someone is standing still, hiding, or sitting in one place. This MIROS sensor is smarter because it combines PIR, light sensing, and wave sensor. That means it can detect both movement and human presence, even when there's not much motion happening. From home defense, this can be useful in places like hallways, garages, entry rooms, offices, or any area where you want lights, cameras, or alerts to react automatically. If motion is detected at night, you could have smart lights turn on. If someone is present in a room where nobody should be, your smart home can react right away. It also supports Matter, so it can work with major smart home platforms like HomeKit, Alexa, Google, and Home Assistant, depending on your setup. 2. Burna SD Kinetic Launcher. Operating on a clean CO2 propulsion system, this non-lethal launcher looks and feels like a standard handgun, but fires hard kinetic or chemical-filled payloads up to 60 feet. It gives you the capability to stop an aggressor threat at a safe distance before they ever cross your threshold, completely stripping them of their physical advantage. 1. Simply Safe Wireless Home Security System. For people who do not want to build a system piece by piece, a wireless security kit can be a cleaner option. Simply Safe systems are popular because they are designed for do-it-yourself setup, with sensors, keypad control, and optional monitoring depending on what you need. The strength here is simplicity. You can cover doors, windows, and motion zones without drilling into every wall or turning the house into a tech project. The easier the system is to use, the more likely you are to arm it. Here is the big lesson. No single gadget makes a home perfectly safe. A camera without a strong door is not enough. A strong door without lights still leaves blind spots. A smart lock does not help if the window next to it is easy to open. Good home defense comes from layers. One layer makes your home look occupied. Another layer lights up dark areas. Another layer warns you early. Another layer slows down entry. Another layer records what happens. And criminals hate layers because layers steal time. They create noise. They create doubt. They make a simple target look complicated. Before you leave, subscribe to All About Survival for more practical safety and preparedness videos that help you stay ready without panic.